Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, a matching tmod loader for your Terraria version and Python 3, 10 or newer. You install Python and add it to path so command line tools can run. Once done, install tmod loader through Steam or manual files and create a backup of saves and existing mods. This protects progress and prevents conflicts. Make sure tmod loader launches once before adding new content so initial files and folders are created. Next, obtain the Python bridge mod designed for tmod loader. This provides the runtime hooks. You place the tmod into the mods folder inside your tmod loader directory. Once placed, run tmod loader so it compiles and loads the new mod. The game will generate assemblies and may create a scripts folder. While it compiles, check the tmod loader console for errors referencing Python or missing dependencies. If compilation succeeds, the bridge exposes APIs so Python scripts can interact with game objects. Finally, add your Python scripts into the mod structure or the designated scripts directory using the API names and entry points specified by the bridge. Enable the mod from the tmod loader mods menu and restart the game to load scripts. Test with a simple script that logs or modifies a harmless value. If things go wrong, open the tmod loader log, confirm the Python version matches the bridge requirements, and temporarily disable other mods to isolate conflicts. This single troubleshooting step resolves most integration failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.